Yes. How to put it? Let's go.
What are we playing?
Let's go.
Okay.
Okay. Wires everywhere. We have 3 wires.
3. Okay. Are there any red?
No.
Is the last one? Oh, cut the second. Yeah.
6 wires.
6 wires. Okay. Is there any yellow?
Yeah.
Is there exactly 1 yellow?
Yes.
Is there more than 1 white?
1 white?
Yeah. Cut the 4. Yeah.
Okay, then we have the fucked up wire system with the LED lights and whatnot.
I don't know what it is. You know, the wires that go from A to B.
No, with the LED and stars.
LED and okay, I'll just find them. Oh, I don't get the system here, but alright.
Blue and LED.
Cut the wire.
Cut the wire?
Yeah.
No!
Yeah, I don't get it.
Holy fuck. Blue wire.
Blue wire. Alright. Nothing else? Alright.
No.
Cut the wire if the last digit of the serial number is even.
Okay, so that's not going to be cut. Then we have star.
A star?
Yeah.
Only?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't cut it.
Then we have red star.
A red star?
Yeah.
Cut the wire if the port have a parallel port.
Okay, it does not have it, so we have to cut this. One of those are wrong. The star one is wrong, or the red and star is wrong. One of them has to be cut.
Star.
Okay, blue or is the star is also wrong.
The star is also wrong.
God damn, the star was also meant to be cut. Okay, okay, we have 1, 2, 3 ABC.
What is that?
One,
oh yeah, okay. Yeah, alright.
Black to C.
Cut the wire.
Blue to A.
Don't cut it.
Then we have blue to C.
Cut it.
Red to B.
Don't cut it.
Okay. Then we have red to B.
Cut it.
Then we have red to A.
Cut it.
Then we have a blue to A.
Don't cut it.
Then we have red to C.
Cut it.
Blue to A.
Cut it.
Then we have third occupation red to C.
Third occupation?
Yeah, come on, fast!
Don't cut it.
Red B. No, done.
Wow, you were slow. Good game.
I was slow, you fucked up in the wires, you know.
Yeah, you were still slow with the system.
Yeah, I'm sorry that you fucked up here.
How did I fuck up? I don't know the system and that's but you were too slow with this one.
5 wires.
5 wires. Alright. Is anyone yellow?
Yeah.
Alright, is there any black?
No.
Is there exactly 1 red?
Yes.
Is there more than 1 yellow? Are there no blacks?
No.
Cut the first wire.
Yeah, that's wrong.
Nice. Alright, cut the. You told me 5, right?
Yeah.
Alright. There are no black.
No.
There's exactly 1 red, and there's more than 1 yellow.
No. No more. There's exactly 1 yellow.
Cut the second then.
Okay. 6 wires.
Yeah. Is there any yellow?
Yeah.
Is there exactly 1 yellow?
No.
Is there any red?
No.
Cut the last wire.
Then we have the weird system with the LED lights.
Yes.
Red.
Only red.
Yeah.
Cut the wire.
Yeah. And then we have red star.
Cut the wire. The last digit of this serial number is even.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, that was fast. Okay. Then we have A B 1 2 2 1 3 ABC.
Yeah.
Red A.
Don't cut it.
Blue A.
Don't cut it.
Blue C.
Cut it.
Blue A.
Don't cut it.
Blue B.
Don't cut it.
Blue B.
Cut it.
Red A. Red C.
Don't cut it.
The lights are out. 2 seconds. 2 seconds.
Oh my god, come on!
Nope. We'll have to wait. Okay. Black B.
Cut it.
Red B.
Don't cut it.
Got a new one. Red A.
Don't cut it.
Blue C.
Don't cut it.
Blue A.
Cut it.
Oh shit. Blue A.
Don't cut it.
Black C.
Cut it.
Blue B.
Don't cut it.
Blue C.
Don't cut it.
Red A.
Don't cut it.
Black B.
Don't cut it.
There we go. Easy peasy. Ooh, you. Ooh,
My
you.
turn! Okay.
So that's it, guys. Hope you fun. And my brother sucks at this game.
I'm better than you. Go on!
How's your brother?